Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Lasertec from 디엠지모리코리아. Formnext2022, which is the biggest trade show in additive manufacturing, was closed on last Friday in Frankfurt, Germany. There were lots of people and exhibitors from all over the world got together. They showed their 3D printing technology and their machines. It was the first event after Corona pandemic. Many people came like pre-pandemic level. We shake hands, hug together, and talk each other without mask on face. It was wonderful and happy experience. DMG booth had a Lasertec 30 dual SLM and an economic size milling machine next to it. There was a clear message from DMG booth. Here is Mr. Friedman Dell.
We have a couple of novelties like always. We have our Lasertec 30 dual SLM with the two lasers, with a new series 80 micron spots, and then we focus on the process chain. That means we show the SLM process and directly the machining on a 5-axis milling machine with a 0-point clamping going from one machine to the other.
Okay, thank you.
Any metal 3D printed part should have a mill finish at critical places. In Formnext booth, an aerospace part was built through additive manufacturing. There are some features. Red marked area that must have critical tolerances down to micron type precision, because these are mating surfaces that will come into contact with other portions of the part once they work together into mechanical function. Machining is difficult due to a combination of the 3D printing process. You have a part shrinkage or geometric distortions that happen. We have to know pre-design of datums, or how are you going to fixture the part for machining later. To make it perfect end-to-end process chain, we use zero clamping system, barrette module system. Additive build is made directly on top surface of the barrette. When finished additive, it moves into milling with the same reference point. Additive and milling are using the same reference point. Machining is possible to begin directly. You can see a video.
Okay, good.
We have a Lasertec 30 SLM installed in Kitech, Gangneung City, Korea in December last year. Kitech is a government technical institution. There is an integrative 3D printing process chain. Kitech is supporting local companies in the region with providing those facilities. Various well-known European machines run in the same building. There is comparison between the machines. Lasertec 30 SLM is proved as the most stable, trustable machine. It is made by DMG MORI. DMG MORI's DNA is embedded. You and your customer can make a success and grow together with Lasertec 30 SLM. Thank you for watching, and see you next time with continued talk. Bye-bye.